In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Stripe API keys in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a developer integrating payment solutions into your app or website, or a business owner who needs to access these keys for platform functionalities, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and quick. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Stripe website, which is simply stripe.com. This is where you'll log into the dashboard to manage your account and retrieve your API keys. Once you're on the homepage of Stripe, look at the upper right corner of the page and you will see the option to sign in. Go ahead and click on it. If you're already a registered user, you'll be taken to a page where you must enter your email and password. Make sure that you use the correct login credentials that are linked with your Stripe account. If you happen to forget your password, there's an option there to reset it. Simply follow the instructions that Stripe provides for password recovery. After entering your email and password, click the sign in button and you'll be directed to the Stripe dashboard. This is essentially your home base where you can manage all things related to your Stripe account. Now that you're inside your account, your next step is to find the developers section. From the home page of your dashboard, look in the left hand menu for the developers tab. This is where you'll find a variety of technical tools and resources that you need to integrate Stripe into your projects. Click on it and a submenu will appear. From the options available under the developers section, you'll want to locate the API keys option. Click on it and now you are in the right place. This page displays both your test and live API keys. Remember, the test keys let you simulate transactions in a test environment, while the live keys are meant for real transactions. It's crucial to ensure you're using the correct keys according to the environment you're working in. With your API keys now visible, you can easily copy each by clicking the copy symbol you see next to the key. Be sure to store these keys securely and ensure they're not exposed to unauthorized users. Sharing these keys indiscriminately can lead to security risks and potentially unwanted charges. And there you have it, retrieving your Stripe API keys is as simple as that. This method keeps it hassle-free and efficient, taking up only a few minutes of your time. Remember that safeguarding these keys is vital for your account security. Thanks for watching this tutorial and I hope you found